Hi, welcome back to third video of chapter 6. Hope all of you are in good health. Today I am going to discuss about using edit mode, undo and redo, inserting blank cells. Previous class explained about and taking time, changing content of the cell, replacing cell contents. Now let us discuss one by one using edit mode. So double click the cell that contains the data you want to edit. Excel displays the cursor in your selected cell. You already learned how can we edit the content of the cells when you enter any data. Right? It's going to enter the data. So when you enter data, once click on that particular cell, you can see it's also visible to the formula. Just click on the cell where you want to edit this, and there is an option you can use the backspace to click, or even you can use the cursor. You just do add any this way. You can use the cursor also, or you can select. So once you double click, and if you want to change the whole, this way you can write down, and the text will be automatically deleted and new entered text will be visible. And once you press enter, this is a simple way you can add to your end. So double click the cell that contains data you want to edit. Excel displays the cursor in your selected cell. And edit your data by using the backspace or delete key, or even typing new data. So once you can use either the backspace, delete keys, or typing new data. This way you can change the content of the cell. Yes, we already checked. When you click on that particular cell, the Excel displays in the formula bar. You can find out the formula bar just above the column heading, and left or right to the name box. Okay, and edit mode, you can also do modification. When we change the formula, let's see, when you are going to add the and here you can find out how can we add the formula. So formula always begins with the equal sign. I'm going to use the sum formula. Here the cell address of the first cell E1, write down E1 colon the last cell I5, I5, close the bracket and press enter. Now here we are able to add the formula. If we want to change the formula, even we have entered here the in any modification formula, we can also do the changes here. Simply just go to the formula bar. I'm going to change E1 to C1. E1 to C1. Just press click C1 and press enter. Now you can see we're able to modify the value of the total. This way, we can also drag it to wherever you just want to. So this way, if you are going to edit the value 24 to 14 to 34, and this way it will be automatically updated the total. Okay. So this way we can, here we can edit. You can just see the enter button and do the modification and press the enter button. Or if you don't want to change, press the cancel button. Okay. Edit mode, I hope it is clear. The edit mode, how can you can find out this formula bar, whatever. You can also edit the formula. Now, what happens when you work on the Excel and it happens we do mistakes? For that, there is a features here. You can find out the common features when you see here in the quick access toolbar here, save, undo and redo. So just press CTRL plus Z to undo, Control plus Z to press. We use the undo. And so what is the, after making any changes in the cell, you may want to revert back the changes and get the previous data back. Okay. To undo the last action performed, use the undo button on the quick action toolbar. Just see. I'm just going to use the undo. What I have, you can find out what I have changed. I'm just use the Control plus Z. Last value what I 14. And there you see here the undo typing. Yes, undo typing. It was 65 earlier. When I'm just going to redo this, use this. So now it is, if you want to change the previous value, last action performed, use the undo button on the quick access toolbar, or you can use the Control Z shortcut key. Right. And another one, the redo command is used to quickly repeat the last actions that you have performed using the undo command. Also, if you want to, what you have done using the undo, you can also use the redo command. Okay. And now you can find out these actions where we can find out here. This is the redo type. Control Z, do Control Y for redo. Y, control. And this way you can, so shortcut key CTRL plus Y, redo shortcut to redo the action, that is CTRL plus Y. Hope it is clear the point. Now if you just want to insert a blank cells, how can we insert a blank cells? Select the cell range where you want to insert the blank cells, right click on the range and select the insert option. If you just want to add more cells, so here you can just right click, insert option, where you want, shift cell down, entire row, entire column. You are going to add one cell to the left of text. Sometimes it happens when you're going to enter and you need a space. This way you can add. We're just going to add another, right click, insert an entire column. If you just want to entire column, use this. You can see you have more. And here you can see when you're going to edit the value here, going to change it. You can find out the find out the total. We don't need to again find out the formula. Don't need to write down the change. It will do automatically. So when you are going to insert, right click, insert option, you have an option shift cell right, shift cell down, entire row, entire column, and press OK. This way you are able to within the cell or just help you to easily. So I hope it is clear the point which I explained. Thanks for watching the video.